today. Got the Mavic Mini, supposedly one of the higher end, better drones on the market for the especially for this size, for the miniature size. The Mavic is supposed to be one of the good brands. DJI is one of the better drone brands out there. We got the Fly More package, which gives you extra 3 batteries, carrying case, and the guards for everything. In case you are a novice like me and have never flown a drone before, really, and you're probably going to crash a few times, I would suggest probably getting one of those. Liking the case so far. Pretty sleek looking. Soft but hard case, I guess you'd call it. Oh, it's pretty well packaged here too. Everything's got its own space in here. So I guess I lied when I said I have no drone experience. I have very little. I flew my son's that was very cheap. I got a little bit of an idea how it all works, but I can tell you already that just from touching this remote here, the quality is obviously much better than it is for a children's toy. It feels very, very solid, well built, comfortable. It looks like we got some different wires here, which I'm guessing that's for the 3 extra batteries that's supposed to come in here. Guessing this is probably for the charger station here. It is, so the white cord's going to be for your 3 battery charging station that it comes with. There's a lot of stuff in here. So this is the drone. I really want to read directions before I just start pulling everything apart, but we're not even going to listen to me, and we're just going to do it anyways. Alright, so that actually flips open pretty simply. There's some tape and stuff on here we'll have to remove. Oh, we can see this in the camera. Very small. It feels lightweight, but it feels quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So that's cool. We got all sorts of batteries, cords, stuff to dig through. Not really quite sure why there's so many cords for this so far, but there are lots of boxes. This would be instructions. I'm guessing this is the, yeah, it's the 3 batteries. One battery. Two. And 3. Alright, that's pretty slick. So they all just clip in like that. This is plugged in here and then plugged into a so that fits inside of here with the batteries in it, which is nice. That folds down pretty quickly and easily. Fits nicely in there. I'm gonna have to see if there's a particular way to put these propellers when you store this, but it seems like that's the spot. And okay, so this is the cord for the battery charger. And last but not least, looks like we have the roll cage or whatever you want to call it, so that amateurs like me can not break it. Okay, so we got that, fits nicely. Looks like it'll all almost shut. Yep. With everything you need right there, except for these, which will have to be put on separately, it looks like. And I'm sure I will need to read the instructions on how to do this. We'll see if it's just simple. We'll see if a guy can figure this out without even having to not looking like it. Unless there's a difference. Alright, so these guards I'm gonna have to mess around with a little bit and figure out exactly how these work. Don't even have a picture on here to be able to tell you exactly how these batteries fit on here. You know what, this could be this way perhaps. These look like they're the perfect size to slap right over here, so we'll mess with those later and figure those out. But yeah, I don't know, initially without, you know, firing anything up yet, it seems fairly quality, seems, you know, durable. And, yeah, seems like everything will pack up right inside of this that you would need to bring with you, besides these guys will have to be carried separately, but everything else fits right in this nice carrying case. We'll bring you guys some more videos once we get this thing up in the air and flying around and hopefully not crashing.